Hey, I'm Christina, and I want to invite you to join me or just watch what I'm about to do in my garden. We are going to take little bitty lemon seeds that I planted in some soil almost about 8 months ago, and it's time to put them in larger pots so that I can have lemon trees. So these lemon seeds I got from a friend who brought beautiful lemons the size of a grapefruit from her tree, Michelle Dantzler. Thank you, Michelle. And so I Googled how to plant lemon trees from a seed, and it said to put the seeds in take the little hard shell. Once the seed dries out, you take the little hard shell off of the seed, put them in a wet paper towel and in a Ziploc bag, and you put them in a dark cabinet for 10 days. Well, I put those seeds in the wet paper towel and the Ziploc for 10 days, and they started to sprout, and they looked so happy that I put them back in the cabinet for like 4 or 5 more days. And then I put them in the soil, and it's been 8 months, and look at these little lemon trees. Isn't that great? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Terry.
Hey, Miss Christina.
5, 6. Look at our lemon trees, honey.
Wow.
They've really grown. So you start by putting the seeds in a little pot and let them grow. Of course, just like anything outdoors in a pot, you need to make sure you water them and nurture them. But really and truly, just the moisture from nighttime, and if you have them in some shade, which I do, I have them under another citrus tree and some long grass, that helped make them want to grow so nice. So once they get this size, it's important to repot them in a larger pot, okay? So now the roots can spread out and grow in a happy new pot with some fresh soil. And I mix fresh soil with some dirt from the ground. And then, of course, the soil they've been in their little pots will transfer over to the bigger pots. And when their roots spread out and grow, then we'll have room for our lemon trees to grow even bigger. And I'm so excited to see if I can make it to where they're this big to put in the ground and have some more citrus trees in our yard. When you repot something, you always want to make sure you put water in your soil, in your new mixture, and I've already done that. So this is damp soil, and let's take the largest one first. It's got some leaves on the top. If you tuned into a video with me the other day, I brought you out in the garden and told y'all about how we live under beautiful, huge oak trees, but man, fall into spring and winter and every season change, we have some big oak leaves fall in the ground. Okay, so I don't know if, I guess you can pretty much see what I just did. I just set that little lemon tree down in the soil. I'm gonna top it with some more newer soil, which I'm running a little low with the coronavirus epidemic. I'm just using some that I had. Isn't that cute? It's gonna be so happy growing in a larger pot now. And so what I'll do once I transplant all of these, I will put more water in the pot so they'll be nice and hydrated and happy. Okay, got 2 in this little pot. Oh wait, I have them in some pretty delicate soil. So I'm gonna separate these 2 now. Separate them and give them their own larger pot. Whoops. So, actually this one might be 2 together. It is. Actually, oh, it's already got 2 branches on this tiny little tree. So I'm gonna cover up that soil real good. Loosely, you don't wanna pack the soil real tight around your new pot with fresh soil. You just wanna stick it in there loosely so the roots can feel like they have a lot of space to stretch out and grow. Stretch out just like we like to do. Look at the roots on this puppy. Woo! That's gonna be a big lemon tree, Ella dog. Where's Charlie dog? Huh? Where did Charlie go? So I'm gonna make a nice deep hole in the soil I have in this pot. There we go. Add a little fresh soil on top for some nutrients. There's another one. Oh, I can't wait to come back after these grow some more and let you in on the new when we repot them even larger. After this size pot, y'all, planting from a seed that has grown in this size pot and then putting it in the next size up, we'll want to repot it one more time. We'll want to do it again and before it goes in the ground so it has really nice, healthy, large, long roots before going in the ground. Look at all the roots on this one. Oh, he's gonna be so happy too. Oh, all of these little bitty trees have such beautiful new growth. They are ready to thrive. So I'm so excited. Yes, Ella dog, we are excited about planting lemon trees. And then what's really nice is when we get them large enough to put in the next pot, size up, before putting them in the ground, they make wonderful gifts. And you want to make sure you give them to just really close, special people in your life that they could put in their yard and always say, oh, the Godwins gave us that tree. We get to take lemons from our own lemon tree and cook with them and always think of the Godwins or whoever you are, just like our citrus tree right here. We always get to brag about Misty and Jeffrey Johns giving us this one. And every time we take citrus and cook with it or eat it right off of the tree, we get to think about those people. Kind of special. Now, why did I think I had another one? I don't guess I do, Ella dog. We're good. Oh, it's right there in front of me. Okay, we've got one more. We do have another little baby tree. See this one? Okay. Healthy roots on these little guys. Look at this one. Sand gnats or no sand gnats, I love gardening. Dancing and cooking and gardening are my hobbies, and it's so therapeutic. You know, if you watch the Mr. Rogers movie with Tom Hanks, he got his anger out beating on the piano, brum, brum, brum. It's not that I'm angry, but I love coming and just digging in the soil and getting this close to nature, and I just feel the presence of God around me all the time, and I get to just talk and think and nurture my soul and my spirit digging in the ground, because I'm not scared. I'm not scared of earthworms, lizards. The only thing I'm really scared of are snakes. I'm not gonna lie, a snake kind of freaks me out. Oh no, Ella, don't roll around, honey. Please don't do that again. Oh, I had to bathe that dog this morning after her bath yesterday. She came in so stinky this morning while I was on the computer. I had to stop what I was doing and give her another bath. Okay, so I put fresh, nice fresh soil on top of my repotted lemon trees that I've grown from seeds. Look how big this one is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch out, little Ella, because I'm going to come over here with some water now. Here's my 5th one. And this one already has 2 branches on it. So sweet. Okay, let's go get some water. Let's not waste the last bit of this good soil. Here you go. Number 5 gets that, or number 4. Okay, I'll be right back to show you how I'm gonna water these. Not that I'm sure you already know how to water something, but just for fun. Okay, watch out, Ella. So I'm gonna just spray these down. I like to get the pots kind of clean too, just from a little feng shui. Oh my goodness, they are happy. Okay. So thanks for tuning in to my gardening and joining me today. It was fun showing you the progress with my lemon seeds that I started from, or my lemon trees that I started from a seed. We have 5 that we've just transplanted into a larger pot, and I'll let you see when I do it again. And then I'll let you see when we put them in the ground and all that good stuff. So God bless you, enjoy the outdoors, and I didn't intentionally put these funny eyes on this video, but I kind of enjoyed it. It was a good day to have googly eyes. Woo! I see you. Okay, love y'all. Bye.